There's a nice quality of life improvement in the FD UVToolkit. It's the Transform UI panel. It allows to move, rotate, and scale the UV very precisely. To move, you just type the value and press the button to the direction you want to move. If you put the value at 1, you can even position your UVs at U-dim spaces. To scale is the same, type the value, and click to increase, or decrease. It's also perfect to find the correct scale when using the UV peeler tool in a long object. Also to rotate, type the angle and click in the button to rotate in the chosen direction. These very basic functions will help you a lot in your workflow. For more information, check the Gumroad link.